Close your eyes for a moment. Picture a green, fertile village, river flowing nearby, tall trees swaying in the wind, and farmers working the land. But now, imagine that same land, dry and cracked, the trees gone, and the river reduced to a trickle. This is what happens when we take more than we give back to nature. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "There is enough for everybody's need, but not for anybody's greed." And that, right there, is the essence of today's topic, conservation of resources. So, what do we mean by conservation of resources? Think of it like budgeting your pocket money. Spend it all today, and you'll be broke tomorrow. But spend wisely, save some, and it lasts longer. Conservation means using resources carefully so that future generations can enjoy them too. It's the key to sustainable development, meeting our needs without damaging the planet for those who come after us. In short, conserve today to survive tomorrow. But why should we care? Because the overuse of resources has already caused serious problems: global warming, ozone depletion, pollution, and land degradation. Take land degradation, for example. Without proper care, fertile land turns barren, crops fail, and livelihoods vanish. We risk not just the environment, but our food, our economy, and our future. Now here's a global twist. Back in 1992, leaders from over 100 countries gathered in Rio de Janeiro for a historic event, the Earth Summit. Together, they launched Agenda 21, a worldwide action plan for sustainable development. The idea? Countries and even local communities should take responsibility for protecting the planet while also fighting poverty and disease. It was the world saying, "Let's fix this together." In India, we've seen both the power and the price of natural resources. In Jharkhand and Odisha, mining has stripped the land bare. In Gujarat and Rajasthan, overgrazing has turned pastures into deserts. In Punjab and Haryana, over-irrigation has damaged the soil. The message is loud and clear: resource misuse hurts us all. But even small steps, like saving water or recycling waste, can lead to big change. Conservation begins with you. So, how can we actually conserve resources? Here's a simple 5-step plan: reduce, use less. Be mindful. Reuse, don't throw it away if it still works. Recycle, give waste a second life. Educate, spread awareness. Enforce, support rules that protect the environment. Whether you're in a village harvesting rainwater or in a city using public transport, you're part of the solution. Let's do a quick calculation, shall we? On average, one home in India uses 500 liters of water per day. Now, if every household in a city of 10 lakh homes reduces that by just 10%, that's 500 into 10% equals to 50 liters saved per home. 50 into 10 lakhs equals to 5 crore liters saved per day. That's 50 million liters just from tiny everyday changes. Incredible, isn't it? Conservation is not optional, it's survival. And it's not someone else's job, it's yours, mine, ours. Governments can guide, but real change begins with people. Remember, we haven't inherited the earth from our ancestors, we've borrowed it from our children. Let's make sure we give it back, greener and greater. In the next video, we'll explore India's land resources, its types, usage, challenges, and conservation techniques. Stay curious, stay conscious. See you in the next lesson.